Hey folks, how you doing? This is Mahesh. So today I'm going to check out this awesome little power supply unit from XPG. This is one of the highest rated 850 watt PSUs on the market right now. And I got this for just $99 on Amazon. See the link in the description. So this is a new ATX 3 power supply. It has 80 plus gold efficiency as well as the Cybenetics Gold rating as well. The Cybenetics rating is much stricter than 80 plus and takes into account a lot more factors. So if your PSU has a Cybenetics rating, you can be rest assured that it's top of the line, baby. Read more about the Cybenetics rating using the link in the description. So being ATX 3, this comes with the famous 12V high power connector for RTX 40 series graphics cards. This is also fully modular and has all Japanese capacitors and comes with a 10-year warranty. You can't get better than that for the price. Inside we get a quick start guide with an efficiency curve graph for the power supply. Now this is really interesting. As you can see, even though this is only 80 plus gold rated, when the voltage supply is 230 volts, the efficiency reaches 93% at 50% load, which is great for me because here in Sri Lanka the voltage is 230 volts. So I'll be getting platinum level efficiency from this budget PSU. It's pretty amazing. These are case stickers. All the cables are in here. Mounting screws, power cable, and here it is. It's very compact. And the connectors are clearly marked in white, which is awesome. It's got a 120mm fan. On the Cybenetics page it says the OEM or the manufacturer of this PSU is Channel Well. It gives the efficiency as platinum, even though on the box it says it's gold. Not sure why that is. And here it is, the famous 16-pin 12V high power connector for RTX 40 series graphics cards. Seen lots of these burnt out on the internet. So I have this connected to my PSU tester here. I have the 24-pin connected here, as well as a 6-pin PCIe Express cable here. And the moment of truth. And it's working. The readings are spot on. The plus 12, the plus 5 and the 3.3 volt rails are spot on. I couldn't be happier. For comparison, I have this cheapo Chinese brand 500 watt PSU here. As you can see, the rails are not as good as the XPG. Anyway, you can buy this PSU and the tester using the links in the description below. Thanks for watching. See you later.